Hi darling, this is Sogan. Welcome back to the channel. Today I want to teach you the pattern of an Irish crochet lace flower. So let's see together. Start the magic ring and chain 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Yarn over twice to make a triple crochet in this ring. Please crochet 11 triple crochets in this ring. This is my 2, yarn over twice, insert your hook and pull up loop, yarn over, pull through 2 3 times, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Pull the tail in to tighten, then make a slab stitch in first chain. Make a slab stitch in first chain. Chain 1, then make 3 single crochets in each space. 1, 2, 3. Now again, 1, 2 and 3 single crochets. Now again, 1, 2 and 3. Make 3 single crochets in each space. At the end of the round, make a slab stitch in first single crochet. Chain 7, 5, 6 and 7. Yarn over twice and make a triple crochet in same chain, same space. Make a triple crochet in same space. Yarn over, pull through 2 3 times, chain 3, 1 2 3. Make 10 double crochets in this space. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Make a slab stitch in same stitch. Chain 1, rotate your work, make 10 single crochets in the space of 7 chains. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Chain 3 and make a slip stitch in third chain. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3 chains, and make a slip stitch in next stitch. Chain 1 and make a slip stitch in next stitch 10 times. Once, chain 1 and make a slip stitch in next stitch. Twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Make a slip stitch in next stitch. Make a slip stitch in next stitch twice, and make a slip stitch in next stitch 3 times. Chain 7 and repeat again. Yarn over twice and make a triple crochet in same stitch. Yarn over, pull through 2, 3 times. Chain 3 and make 10 double crochets in triple crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And make a slip stitch in same stitch. Chain 1, rotate your work, make 10 single crochets in the space of 7 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3 chains, and make a slip stitch in third chain. Chain 3 and make a slip stitch in next stitch. Chain 1 and make a slip stitch in next stitch once, twice, 3 times, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Make a slip stitch in next stitch. Make a slip stitch in next stitch and make a slip stitch in next stitch. Chain 7 and repeat again. Keep going. I crocheted all around, then make a slip stitch in next stitch. Make a slip stitch in next stitch, make a slip stitch in next stitch, chain 1, cut the yarn off, then hide your yarn. I appreciate for your consideration and for your time. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing content. We truly appreciate you. Talk to you later. I'll be in touch. Bye.